To fix a Logitech camera that's not working, several possible reasons should be considered. Firstly, damaged cables may be the cause, in which case, examining the connecting ports and cables for physical damage is necessary. If damage is found, replacing them is essential to resolving the issue. Another reason could be the use of incorrect webcam settings, particularly the privacy settings that safeguard the device, which can restrict the use of the Logitech webcam. To resolve this, it's necessary to access the camera device settings and enable the webcam. Additionally, outdated software can limit the webcam's functionality. Updating and reinstalling the software can be achieved by searching for the device manager, locating the Logitech webcam, uninstalling it, and then restarting the device, which should automatically update and reinstall the software. Lastly, conflict apps, such as Skype or VPN, may be enabled, preventing the Logitech camera from working. Disabling these apps in the task manager and restarting the webcam should resolve the issue. By addressing these potential causes, the Logitech camera should start working again.